experiencing the Xbox One green screen of death with your disk drive. This critical failure can be incredibly frustrating, but we've got the immediate solutions to get you back gaming. First up, method 1, a full power cycle. This simply clears any temporary system glitches or corrupt memory states by completely cutting power. Disconnect your console's power cable, wait a full 30 seconds for everything to drain, then plug it back in and power on. If that doesn't resolve the Xbox One green screen of death, the problem might be deeper within your system's temporary files, leading us to method 2A, clearing persistent storage. This removes cache data that can sometimes conflict with disk drive operations. Head into your Xbox settings, navigate to devices and connections, then Blu-ray and clear that persistent storage. Next, method 3, if the green screen persists, inspect your disk drive area. Sometimes, physical obstructions or loose components can trigger these errors. Power off your console, disconnect all cables, and carefully check the disk slot and surrounding area for any debris or damage before reconnecting everything and testing. Finally, for persistent issues, method 4 involves an offline system update. This ensures your console's operating system is clean and fully functional, often fixing deeper software corruption. Download the update to a USB, enter the troubleshooting screen, and initiate the offline update. These steps will systematically address the Xbox One green screen of death disk drive issue.